Hello everyone, this time we're introducing our potted arrangements. We use native foliage, Banksias, proteas and other flowers. This video will mainly deal with the colourful in a playful way. The flowers for the coming weeks are all part of our spring collection, which is live on our website, available for purchase. They are various spring collections. Today I'll introduce spring arrangement number 18 and our spring bouquet number 4. So let's begin. To begin, this is the native inspired collection that will be introduced. These collections are quite fun to make and almost impossible to keep to only offering one type of combination. It is really fun as it contains each colour combination and different flower sizes and blossoming shapes, which is to come in time or a few days with spring. I'll introduce these in particular. This time I will begin by explaining each of the flowers. We have lovely proteas and Banksias, and they're mixed with foliage. It's very easy to use for flower arrangements. The shapes are excellent and they're quite big, so we can really have them standing in front of the arrangement and looking really bold. And then with the foliage, I sort of use a nice refreshing spiral technique in the foam just to make a more rounded and soft version. Just to use the leftovers or offcuts and sort of make something quite nice, free-flowing, that I could potentially use for another arrangement. Or when I just need a little bit, I could just use it off this little bunch that I'm putting together now. And lastly, our spring bouquet number 4 has lovely sunflowers, and then it's the more colourful out of all the bouquets. So using lovely orange roses, spray carnations in a hot pink, lovely viburnum as our base. And we're sort of doing a spiral technique, but making emphasis towards the front-facing style of all the flowers. We want to make sure everything can be seen, and we have rooms for the lovely lilies to bloom, which will just make it that more magical and beautiful. today making arrangements using various styles. Colours very strong and fun to work with when making an offering. I recommend using bursts of colour or even simple whites and greens. Always looks beautiful and elegant. Thank you very much for today.